Ew. Gross. My foot is completely wet.
What is wrong, Emma?
Jack, come here right now.
Why are you shouting so loud?
I'm standing in a puddle.
A puddle? Inside the house?
Yes, the living room floor is wet.
I'm cooking breakfast in the kitchen.
Look at the floor, Jack.
Oh no, why is the floor wet?
Buster peed on my white rug.
Oh no, the new white rug.
Yes, the white rug is ruined.
It is completely dirty now.
I bought it just yesterday.
Calm down. He is a baby.
He needs to learn the house rules.
He is learning the rules.
Look at my phone charger.
The phone charger on the floor?
Yes, he chewed the black cable.
Oh, the cable is broken.
It is in many small pieces.
A broken cable is very dangerous.
My phone has no battery now.
Oh no, my breakfast.
What happened in the kitchen?
Buster jumped on the kitchen table.
What did he do?
He took my sweet pancake.
He is eating on the sofa.
Buster, drop the pancake right now.
The pancake syrup is very sticky.
I do not like a sticky sofa.
He is making a big mess.
Look at him run.
Now, he is biting the chair.
Bad dog. Do not break it.
He needs to run outside today.
He needs the big green park.
Get his red collar and leash.
I have the collar and leash.
Let's go to the park, Buster.
The park is very beautiful today.
The sun is shining brightly.
The sky is very blue today,
Look at the big green trees.
and the beautiful red flowers.
There are many people here today.
We must keep Buster close to us.
He wants to play with that dog.
The big white dog?
Yes, he wants to play.
No, Buster. Stay here with us.
Let's go to the green grass.
Sit down on the grass, Buster.
I have the bouncy blue ball.
Are you ready, Buster?
1, 2, 3, go!
Catch the bouncy blue ball.
Wow, he is running very fast.
He is a fast puppy.
Bring the ball back, Buster.
Good boy. He has the ball.
Let's play one more time.
Go, Buster. Catch it again.
Wait, he dropped the blue ball.
He is not running to the ball.
He sees those big birds.
There are birds near the lake.
Buster, no.
Stay right here.
He is pulling the black leash.
Jack, hold the leash tight.
I'm pulling. He is strong.
I'm trying too. Snap.
Oh my God. The leash is broken.
The black leash is broken in two.
Buster, stop. Come back here.
He is running away from us.
He is running to the ice cream.
The man is selling ice cream.
The little girl has chocolate ice cream.
Buster wants the chocolate ice cream.
He is jumping very high.
Crash! The ice cream fell down.
The ice cream is on the floor.
The little boy is crying now.
Buster is eating the dirty ice cream.
His white face is brown now.
He is running away again. Follow him.
Watch out! There is a loose dog.
He is running to that picnic.
A family is having a picnic.
Oh no. He stepped in the cake.
He ruined their beautiful chocolate cake.
The sticky cake is everywhere.
And he hit the orange juice.
The juice is spilling everywhere.
He ate the turkey sandwich.
He ate it in one big bite.
Now he is at the playground.
The children are playing.
He is going down the yellow slide.
Buster, stop. Come down here.
He jumped into a mud puddle.
Splash. A big puddle of mud.
Look at the dirty mud everywhere.
His white fur is completely black.
He is covered in thick mud.
Now, he hit the trash cans. Crash.
Garbage is falling on the grass.
Empty bottles and dirty paper.
I lost him. Where is Buster?
Excuse me, did you see a puppy?
The puppy with mud on his face?
Yes, the puppy with the mud.
He is running to the water.
Thank you. Let's run, Jack.
Look, I see him near the rocks.
He cannot move away from the rocks.
There is a big angry goose.
Honk. Honk. The goose is angry.
The goose has big white wings.
Buster is shaking. He is scared.
He is very scared of the goose.
I have the bouncy blue ball.
Throw the blue ball into the lake.
Splash!
The ball is in the water.
The goose is swimming away.
We saved him. Come here, Buster.
He is safe now.
But he is covered in thick mud.
He smells like wet dirt.
He smells like old fish. Yuck.
He needs a warm bath right now.
Finally, we are back home.
Buster is a total mess today.
He is very dirty from the mud.
Put him in the warm bathtub.
The bathtub is full of water.
Wow, he is splashing water everywhere.
The clean water is dark brown now.
Scrub his fur, Emma. Scrub hard.
Oh no, he jumped out.
The wet dog is running away.
He is running in the hallway.
The floor is completely wet.
I am slipping on the wet floor.
Whoa, I caught him.
Bring him back to the bathtub.
Do not shake your body, Buster.
Grab the large yellow towels.
Dry his ears and his tail.
Now his fur is dry.
He looks like a clean white cloud.
He is a clean puppy again.
Today was exhausting. Very exhausting.
What does the word exhausting mean?
Exhausting means very, very tired.
Because we ran a lot today,
Yes, we have zero energy left.
I am exhausted.
Me too, but Buster is sleeping.
He is sleeping under the table.
Wait, where is your pink shoe?
I do not see my pink shoe.
Look under the table.
Buster is not sleeping.
He is chewing your pink shoe.
Buster! No, my shoe is broken.
Did you learn new words today?
Mud, sticky, or exhausting.
Did your dog jump in the mud?
Type mud in the comments below.
Subscribe to English Chill for more.
See you next time. Goodbye!